Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and we are reading the chapter differential equations. I think this is 8th class. Okay, 8 4s are 32. Why? Because 29 to 32 we are going to finish in this class. I think further 2 classes required to complete this chapter. Okay, until 40 questions we will do. Because this is a little bit bigger chapter. After 40 questions, this chapter is going to exhaust. Okay. Now see, Eamcet 2015 question. The differential equation dy by dx is equal to 1 by ax plus by plus c, where a, b, c are non-zero real numbers is, what is it? This differential equation. This differential equation is linear in y, linear in x, linear in xy, or none. Like that they are. See what I am doing. Once again I will write that dy by dx is equal to 1 by ax plus by plus c. Okay. I want to reciprocate. That means see dx by dy is equal to ax plus by plus c. Okay. Okay. Now you see, except to by, why? Because see here dx by y is there. That is why by only I am keeping. Okay. You see by plus c is equal to dx by dy minus ax. Is it okay? Yeah. Now you see, I will keep by, c also I will send dx by dy minus ax minus c. Okay. Again I will take only y. That means see 1 by b dx by dy minus a by bx minus c by b. Okay. Now you tell me, this is a differential equation in x. X. Okay, this side only y is there. X. That means linear in x. Why? Because see, there is no d square y by dx square or d square x by dy square. Only dx by dy is there. That is why this is linear, but in x. Linear in x. Understand? Okay. Answer is B. Let us go for next question. Okay. See question number 30. If x is greater than minus pi by 4 and less than pi by 4, not equal to, then the general solution of the differential equation cos square dy by dx minus tan 2x into y is equal to cos to the power of 4x is like they are asking. Eamcet 2018 question. Answer is this one. You have to get this answer. Okay, now what I want to do, okay, see what I am doing. We know one formula or property or theorem or what will we say. What is that? See dy by dx plus py is equal to q. In this form, any differential equation is there, linear differential equation. Then we can find this solution. How we are going to find? Integral factor we are going to find. Integral factor how we are going to find? E power integral p dx. Okay, you see here y should be there. Here y is there, here y is there. Okay? Or else you have to take dx by dy. That is different case. Okay? Okay. You will find integral factor. After finding integral factor, see y into integral factor is equal to integral of again q into, this is q. Okay, p we have used here for integral factor, this p. This q again you have to use. Again integral factor into dx you have to write. Here also dx plus c. Okay. See here what we do. You do this taking as I. This I will not yield any c. C is already there here. That you keep in your mind. Okay. This is the formula. But now go back and see whether this equation is like this. Not exactly. Why? Because cos square x you have to divide. Then only it is going to become like that. Then you divide. Cos square x. See dy by dx plus I am keeping. P, what is P? P is minus tan 2x by cos square x. Okay, see here P plus is there, that is a plus I have kept. This minus I have sent inside. Minus tan 2x by cos square x. Okay. Into y is there. Okay. Is equal to this cos square x. We are going to divide this side. Wait a minute. Yeah, correct only. Why? Because see cos square x we are dividing. Okay, we need not send that side. Here cos square x only it is going to become y cos to the power of 4x divided by cos square x, cos square x. Tan 2x divided by cos square x. Divided by cos square x means going to get cancelled. Okay. Now you see. Now we can write here p and q. See, p is minus tan 2x by cos square x. Q is cos square x. Okay. Now first you find integral factor IF. Okay. Let me find integral factor IF. Integral factor is equal to e power integral minus p dx. P dx means p is minus tan 2x by cos square x dx. Okay. Now I am changing. You see, e power minus integral tan 2x shall I write 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Write down 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x into this cos square x denominator I am sending you numerator as secant square x. Secant square x dx. Okay. Now wait. Why I have made like this? Because tan x, if you take t, d by dx of tan x, secant square x dx is going to become dt. Okay. Now everywhere tan x we can put as t like that. Okay. Let us keep. Okay. Now you see, I am taking tan x as t. Then secant square x dx is equal to dt. Okay. Okay. Now come back. Integral factor is equal to e power minus integral 2t. 2 tan x means 2t by 1 minus t square. Secant square x means dt. Secant square x dx means dt. Okay? Okay. Now again what you can do? Again you see partial fraction also you can do. Partial fraction. Or else direct also you can do. Wait. Why? Because see this minus shall I send inside? Now already have taken t. Now this time we don't take t. We take v. V or z. Okay. You see what I am doing? I am taking 1 minus t square is equal to v. Or theta I will take theta. Okay. See, minus 2t dt is equal to d theta. Minus 2t dt. Okay. Now this is going to become what? IF again. IF is equal to e power integral minus 2t dt. Minus 2t dt is d theta divided by 1 minus t square is theta. That means e power log theta. Okay, log theta. You see, e power e and log both are going to get cancelled out each other. That means the final integral factor is equal to theta. Okay, e and log cancel out. Going to get cancelled. E power log x means x. Okay, that you know very well. Log e is equal to 1. That also we know. Okay, if integral factor, not if, this is integral factor. Integral factor is equal to theta. But theta is what? Theta is 1 minus t square. T square means 1 minus tan square x. Okay. See, still we have got integral factor only. Again, this is there. Y into integral factor. That also we will do. Okay. We will do. Comma I am keeping. Y into, okay. Integral factor 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x is equal to integral of q. Q, what we have taken q? Cos square x. Cos square x into integral factor. Integral factor means again 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x dx plus c. You see here, what I want to say, I want to take this as I. I is equal to, I am writing. Okay, write down. I is equal to integral cos square x dx No, don't write dx. Okay, write down. Minus cos square x into tan square x, shall I write sin square x by cos square x? Okay, definitely I can write. Cos square x I have sent inside. Cos square x minus cos square x into tan square x. Cos square x into sin square x. Why cos square x we can cancel out. Then this is going to become integral cos square x minus sin square x dx. That is equal to integral cos square x minus sin square x means cos 2x. Cos 2x dx. Okay, see, I will keep answer, but remaining I am removing. Pause and note down. I take blue. Okay, now go. Integral cos 2x I is equal to integral cos 2x sin 2x by 2 plus c will not come. Why? Because c already is there here. C, don't forget. Then you submit in this. That means final answer will be y into 1 minus tan square x is equal to, this value has come, sin 1 by 2 sin 2x plus c. Or else you take this as c1. Okay? Now come back. Now you see, you keep answer what you have, y they have kept to one side. That means y is equal to this 1 minus tan square x you send it this side. Okay, see, sin 2x plus c by 2 already is there into 1 minus tan square x. Okay, where c is equal to c1 by 2. Is it okay? First you see, or else wait a minute. Now also c by 2 is there. That means you need not write c1 also, I think. Okay, whatever it may be. You see, answer has come. Sin 2x plus c by 2 into 1 minus tan square x. Okay. Okay. Now we'll go for next question. Okay. See question 31 question. Eamcet 2018 question. Answer I have given x minus 1 is equal to e power minus y square has to come. The solution of differential equation dx by dy. See here dy by dx is not there. Then integral factor and all we have to change accordingly. We will get some experience. Okay. Dx by dy plus 2yx is equal to 2y, which passes through point 20. That means the particular solution also they are asking. That means here you cannot keep c. C you cannot keep. C value also operated. That is why here c is not there. Okay. And see, general I am writing here, then accordingly I will change it. You see, general means what we are going to take? We are going to take like this. You see, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. If it is such that, then we are going to take integral factor is equal to e power integral p dx, and solution will be y into integral factor is equal to integral q into integral factor dx plus c. Okay. Now you by heart only this. Accordingly you can change. You see how I am changing. Now I am not taking dy by dx. Why? Because dx by dy is there. See, dx by dy plus px. Why? Because see, when numerator y comes means here also y will come. Okay. But x comes means x will come. That is equal to q. Then integral factor is equal to e power integral p dy will come. Dx will not come. Why? Because here x, but here y will come afterwards. So see, here y will not come. X into integral factor is equal to again integral q into integral factor is okay dy plus c. Okay. Now I am removing this. See, if you know this, then you can write this also. Okay. You have by heart this one. This may come rarely. 25% this will come. 75% dy by dx only will come for your examination's sake. Okay. Now see, compare this as per this. Okay. Dx by dy is there, but here x is there. That p is right on. P is equal to 2y. Q is also 2y. Okay. Now we find integral factor. Integral factor is equal to e power integral p means 2y dy. That is equal to e power 2 y square by 2. 2 going to get cancelled out. That means e power y square. E power y square will be your integral factor. Okay. After knowing integral factor has come. Now x into, you see, x into e power y square is equal to integral of q is how much? 2y into integral factor e power y square into dy plus c. See, I want to take this one. I is equal to integral e power y square 2y dy. Shall I write like this? Why? Because y square I want to take as t. Now you see, y square I am taking t. 2y dy is equal to dt. Okay? 2y dy is there. Take right. Okay? Now I is equal to, once again you write, I is equal to integral, I is equal to integral e power y square means e power t. 2y dy means dt. That is equal to e power t. E power t dt means e power t. E power t means what again? E power y square. Okay, this is I. Then finally you ix into integral factor e power y square is equal to, this value has come e power y square only. That means e power y square plus c. Now wait, y plus c you have to find c passing through 2 0. At 2 comma 0. Okay. See, 2 means x coordinate 2, y coordinate 0. Wherever y is 0, wherever x is 2, you submit it. X is 2. That means 2 into e power 0, y plus 0 square is equal to e power 0 plus c. 1 into 2, 2. C is equal to, okay, no. 2 is equal to 1 plus c. Why? Because e power 0 is, this is also 1. That means c is equal to 1. 2 minus 1, c is equal to 1. This 1 you submit again in this. Okay, write on that. X into e power y square is equal to e power y square plus 1. Okay. Now both sides you divide it to e power y square. X is equal to 1 plus 1 by e power y square. Divided by e power y square divided by square root square. 1 by e power y square. Then you see x minus 1 is equal to e power minus y square. Okay, this if you go numerator minus will come. Okay, 1 I have sent this side. Is this the answer? You see x minus 1 is equal to e power minus y square. Okay, let us go for. Okay, see question number 32. The solution of differential equation x plus 1 into dy by dx minus xy is equal to 1. Satisfying y of 0 is equal to 1. That means the input you have to give 0, but y value is going to give 1. Right? You have to think and you have to find the particular solution. Answer c will not come. See here y is equal to something has come. Here c is not there. Okay, constant. Now proceed. Why? Because we know very well. See, dy by dx is there. Then we know very well what to be done and all. Dy by dx minus xy by, or else I will keep like this. Why? Because see, x by 1 plus x into y is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. What I have done? I have divided it with 1 plus x. Divided by 1 plus x means this is going to get cancelled. Here 1 plus x will come. Here 1 plus x will come. Here 1 plus x is there. Here 1 plus x is there. Okay. And you see y is there. Now this is like dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay. Where right p also. See, p is equal to minus x by 1 plus x. Q is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. Okay? Okay. Now integral factor we find first. Integral factor is equal to e power integral p dx. That is equal to e power integral P is what? Minus x by 1 plus x dx. Okay. Okay. Now I am changing. You see how I am changing. E power integral. See what I want to do. Minus I will take outside. 1 plus x minus 1 divided by 1 plus x dx. Is it correct? First you see. This minus I have taken outside. Minus is still outside only. Now minus it goes, only x will be there. X is there. But plus 1 minus 1 I have added. Why? Because plus 1 minus 1 going to get cancelled. Why? 1 plus x by 1 plus x 1 it is going to become. Integral minus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x. Okay, minus 1 by 1 plus x. Again I will send inside minus dx. E power integral 1 by 1 plus x plus 1 dx. Is it okay? Why? Because see, no, minus 1. This is plus 1, this is minus 1. Is it okay? 1 by 1 plus x. Okay, take blue. Okay, now you see e power integral 1 by 1 plus x dx log x, log of 1 plus x, not log x, log of 1 plus x modulus. Okay, and minus x. See, this is all what we can say at e power only, all are e power only, e power minus x if you want to separate it. 1 by 1 plus x is log x. See, x is having plus, otherwise minus of log, minus log 1 plus 1 minus x will come if minus is there here. Okay, this is what, this is integral factor. Write down one second. This is integral factor. Okay, comma. But you require this also. What we can say. Okay, now I am writing. You see, this is y only. Y into integral factor is equal to integral q integral factor dx plus c. Okay, and I will write it. Y means y only. Y into integral factor is this one. E power. See, shall I convert this? Why? Because see, I want to convert this. See, integral factor I want to. Why? Because e power log I don't want to write it. E log going to get cancelled out. That means see what I want to write here. E power log of modulus of 1 plus x into e power minus x. Is it okay? Bases are same. If you add automatically minus x will come. Okay. Now why? Because e log going to get cancelled out. This is going to become 1 plus x by e power x. Why? Because see, e power minus x means e power x denominator. Is it okay? This is integral factor. Okay. This is integral factor. Now I have to change color. Okay. Now again I am writing. You see, y into integral factor. That formula I will write here. Y into integral factor is equal to q into integral factor dx plus c. Okay. Now write down y only into integral factor. Integral factor is how much? This one. 1 plus x by e power x is equal to integral of q. Q is how much? 1 by 1 plus x. 1 by 1 plus x into integral factor. Integral factor again 1 plus x by e power x dx plus c. Okay, now you take only integral I. Because 1 plus x is going to get cancelled out. I is equal to integral of this e power x, you take numerator. E power x minus x it is going to become. Okay. See, e power x and e power minus x differentiation and what we can say integration both will give same answer. That means see, minus of e power minus x will come. Okay. Now you submit in final equation. Final equation means this one. You see, y into 1 plus x. Is there any particular solution is there? That means you see. Okay, we will write first. Y into 1 plus x by e power x is equal to this I has come minus e power minus x, or else shall I write minus 1 by e power x. Okay, minus e power minus x means 1 by e power x minus 1 e power plus c. This C value how to find y of 0 is equal to 1. Y of 0 is equal to 1 implies, you see, input you give 0, y will be 1. Y will be 1. 1 into 1 plus 0 divided by e power 0 is equal to minus 1 by e power 0 plus c. Okay? E power 0 means 1. 1, 1 not right. Okay? Here the 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. That means 1 is equal to minus 1 plus c. RS c is equal to 2. Okay? If at all c is equal to 2, I think it will appear in board. I am finishing here itself. Okay? Now you see, e power x into 1. If we cross multiply, okay? Now you see, why because e power x into 1, e power x, by e power x, I can cancel out. Okay, you see, y into 1 plus x is equal to divided by e power x minus 1 into c plus c. C is how much? 2. 2 times of e power x divided by e power x. Now both sides e power x denominator cancel out. If we cancel out, then see y is equal to 2 into e power x minus 1 divided by 1 plus x. Is this the answer, you see? Okay? Now we stop this class. We will continue in the next class. I think 2 more classes required. We will complete this chapter. Thank you.